Have you guys cut off the gas way up there off Cherry?
Water.
Oh, okay.
You say gas?
Yeah.
Off of where at now?
Off Cherry on Tarsa Street. It's the first street. Do you know if they cut their gas off?
I do not.
Okay.
Bernard want me to send him some shit too?
Tell Bernard, this for eyes. He should have drove.
Jesus.
Tell Bernard, he supposed to hit the road. Tell him GG. They had to print the signs on the X's on the house to let you know they done already been served. And you cross right in my picture.
Oh, my bad, dude.
Some people ain't even got houses.
I
You write an X on. This is unreal.
Yes.
We got memories forever.